good.
All we need to do is put this up and put one each in a cup. So let's go. Hold a second. Wait a second.
You can do it.
Do you need a napkin?
You don't like getting dirty? Okay, here. Messed up your fingernail polish, didn't it?
I have used the spoon.
So maybe you can get your mom to help with